Hi guys, today I'm in the center of Prague called Vltava River. In a couple of minutes I'm going to show you all the best things, all the fun things, all the places you will be able to visit or that you have to visit whenever you come to Prague. Now, one of the most important places that you need to know when you are coming to Prague is where I'm standing now. This is exactly the heart of Prague. When you look behind me, you can see that huge building there. That building is a museum. So whenever you come to Prague, you hear museum, that's exactly where it's being referred to. And like I said, this is the heart of Prague. One interesting thing about this museum is that on a particular day every year people have free access to get in. So if you happen to come here at the right time when people have free access to the museum, you will be able to go in and see some of the most beautiful things that you could see inside the museum. Now I'm at the museum on the first or second floor of the museum. From here you can see the Vltava River where we spoke about earlier. This is a very huge part of Prague. So here you can find whatever you want if you happen to be in Prague. Again, so many people queued up here, most probably because it is free entry today. The next place you want to visit if you happen to be in Prague is the very beautiful Old Town Square, which is where I am now. Although currently it is there is a Christmas market, so that's why you can see all these very small houses or small huts here. People coming for, coming to the Christmas market to buy stuff. But this is one of the most beautiful places in Prague. So when you come to Prague or when you hear of Old Town Square, this is where it is. Another important thing to know about Old Town Square, and one of the things that brings tourists here a lot, is the astronomical clock, which is somewhere behind the building there. So this astronomical clock, it performs magic. So when you go there, when the time comes when it does its magic, there are usually like hundreds of people standing there. So if you want to come there and see the clock, you need to come early. You need to, position yourself very well the way you are going to see what happens there. So obviously here at Old Town Square, You will find basically everything here. Food, just relaxing. You will find places to sit and relax and look around and see different people from all walks of life. You will see some very, very historical buildings here as well. The most famous statue that is standing somewhere around the corner. So these are some of the things you are going to find here. So this is like the second place that I had to show you. Another place you need to visit if you are in Prague is the very, very popular Charles Bridge. Charles Bridge is like one of the oldest bridges in Prague, and frequented by, I don't know, thousands of people every day and millions of people each and every year. So it is a great place to visit if you're in Prague, and I'm going to show you around so that you see what it looks like. Another thing you could do in Prague is to come here and close to the river Vltava and watch like how the water flows. You can feed the pigeons, you can just watch the sunset. There are so many things you could do in Prague. So this is like one of those things. Another place you wanna go visit when you come to Prague is the Narodní divadlo, which is National Theatre, which is the building you are looking at behind me now. It's one of the most beautiful architectures here in Prague. If you are interested in, you know what they do in theater. So if you are interested in concerts and stuff like that, so this is the best place to come. And in comparison, it's not really like very expensive to get in there to see the shows that go on there. So it's another place that I wanted to invite you to visit. So I hope you're gonna love it. Final place I wanted to show you for today. So here I'm at a place called Palladium. That's what this very shopping mall is called. So Palladium is really a very popular shopping mall. At the moment there is a Christmas market behind me, which you are looking at, and then there are all these very small shops. So under normal circumstances, here is usually so many people, so many tourists going in and coming out, but because today is actually 25th of December, so the shopping mall is closed. Otherwise, you will find so many people here. So if you come there, you can obviously buy whatever it is you want, or if you are hungry, because if you have been to all these places I've shown you by now, you should be hungry. So that is the nice place to go and find yourself whatever kind of food you want, whether you want Pakistani, Indian, Italian, Czech, whatever kind of food you are going to find inside here. So that's all I wanted to show you for today. I hope you really enjoyed this. Can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like and to share? Thank you so much. Bye.